Hi everybody, welcome back to Connoisseur Corner, part of the Feldy Network. I am Marty Feldman, and we're going to be back in the kitchen again today. We're going to do a little more cooking. We're going to do a little more pasta cooking, and it's kind of a nice fall, wintry kind of pasta we're going to do today. It's a fairly easy one to pull together too. So let me introduce you to a tomato Gorgonzola pasta with a little bit of pancetta in this one. So this is really good stuff. I think you'll find this edible anyways. Again, the ingredient list is fairly mellow on this one. Let me kind of walk you through it real quick here. So that's our ingredient list. So now let's head to the kitchen. Let's walk through the assembly on this one. Again, this is a pretty easy one. So you've got your pot on the stove, you got your water boiling, ready to rock and roll. And of course, once that water starts boiling, get some salt in there. Don't salt it until the water boils though, because you may cause an explosion and the whole kitchen may explode. I'm kidding. It's a goofy joke. Oh man, the flavors, the smells, getting hungry again. So this is an easy one at this point. We're going to plate this. You can use a nice pasta bowl or kind of a nice, kind of a reasonably deep plate. You can garnish with, if you got a little extra basil, kind of do a little sprinkle on top with that. And then this goes wonderful with a nice crusty bread. So anyways, open your wine, pour your glass, dish it up. Got a wonderful dinner ahead of you. Cheers. I think this is going to be an excellent meal. Again, thanks for joining. Hit that subscription button down there. Keep coming back for all the recipes, all the connoisseur items that we get published from time to time. Thanks again for joining. Bon appetit.